Avoiding overuse. Fine-tuning your use of adverbs of manner. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of adverbs, specifically, adverbs of manner. We'll focus on a very common mistake, the overuse of certain adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these adverbs more effectively and make your English sound more natural. Adverbs of manner are words that describe how something is done or happens. They include words like quickly, slowly, carefully, loudly, and silently. While these words can add detail to our sentences, it's important not to overuse them, as they can make our language sound repetitive and less fluent. Many learners tend to overuse adverbs like very, really, and so. These adverbs can make our language sound emphatic and dramatic, but too much of them can lead to redundancy and exaggeration. Here's an example. She was so happy, she was really laughing, and she was very excited. This sentence could simply be, she was thrilled, laughing, and excited. To avoid the overuse of adverbs of manner, try to use more precise verbs or adjectives. Instead of saying, he ran very fast, say, he sprinted. Instead of saying, she spoke very softly, say, she whispered. Another way to avoid overusing certain adverbs of manner is to vary your language. For instance, instead of always using quickly, you might say swiftly, speedily, or rapidly. This variation can make your language more interesting and engaging. Remember, while adverbs of manner are important in expressing details, it's crucial not to overuse them. Practice using more precise words and varying your language. Keep practicing, and soon your use of adverbs of manner will sound much more natural. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy learning!